At Alliance Data, we built our company based on the understanding of how important data-driven insights can be to our clients. And we believe that that not only applies to the private sector, but to the nonprofit sector as well.
So when CNM came to us and said, hey, we want to create this technology that allows nonprofits to basically plug in and unlock the power of their data, it was just a no-brainer.
C-Square's always been interested in telling our story better. We always knew there was more there that we weren't sharing. We had the data in a pretty raw form in a lot of Excel spreadsheets.
Well, eQuest is so interested in refining and upgrading our ability to provide outcomes of what we do, and we haven't been doing a really good job at that until this opportunity from CNM Connect became available.
So the whole idea of being able to do something that's attractive and informative and descriptive about programs was something that I was really excited about when we heard about the CNMpact opportunity.
We had looked actually at a couple of software platforms, but having something that was local, having access to one of the most robust systems in the country that would build us a visual dashboard was exactly what we were looking for. But this product is about a third of the cost of what we were looking at, and that's because CNM has negotiated that price for the nonprofits here locally.
I think as nonprofits grow and change, it's important that we really look at the programmatic impact we're having. And CNMpact really assisted us in really ensuring that we were hitting all of our goals. We are very unique in that we focus in 5 different priorities here at Jubilee.
Because we're able to pull out different pieces and figure out what components of our program are the most effective, it allows us to be able to ultimately increase the level of our effectiveness year after year after year.
Now that we have this wonderful portal to look at, new graphs to share, we'll be able to package it really well and send it to them and say, hey, we can tell you our story, but here we can also show you our story.
Our stakeholders can easily log into their own portal on the dashboard, look at the data, go through it, and kind of filter down to the information that they want. So it really truly serves the specific needs that each site that we work with has.
CNMpact has taken the labor cost away from crunching numbers and allowed our staff to spend their time helping the children that we serve.
In addition to that, and connected are the resources of the people who are available at CNM, and so being able to get the guidance and the coaching along with the tool is an essential part of this working for us, and I can't even put a number of value to it.
Being able to do more in real time will improve the speed of decision making and get us as a nonprofit to the speed of business.
Our goal is really to be the best poverty fighters in Dallas, and so we want to be best practice in every program we have. We want to know that our work is making the impact that we intend to make. And if not, we're going to change our methodology so that we get the greatest impact in the city.
We're trying to better understand, is there an ideal model for our program? Is there a perfect grade level? Or is it truly going to work in all grades, all types of schools? And that's something that we're really excited to be able to see and be able to make sure that with our limited resources, we're leveraging them in the right setting that is the best for students. And we truly believe that CNMpact is going to enable us to do that.
This library was created out of the data that we were able to pull from our dashboard from CNMpact. We saw that 88% of our kids were 2 years or more behind on math and reading. So we wanted to create this room that I'm standing in right now, the library, to be a place where kids were excited to come into and could feel engaged in reading.
I think there's a great opportunity for us to demonstrate to the community at large what a difference nonprofits are making in their communities and in our DFW area.
But as there's more collective impact work happening in all of our communities, it means that there's more of an opportunity for us to be able to streamline our data together toward one common goal.
I'm very excited about the opportunity to go testify at the legislature when it meets next spring. I think it's still important to tell those individual stories, but that's not what's making a difference in public policy now. I need that data.